Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Cold Turkey Blocker. Now the first thing I want you to do is install the app, install the extensions, and then from the left hand panel click on blocks, and right here this is where you edit your block settings. So this one is you can edit what is blocked, okay? And this one right here is to basically toggle on and off. So to enable or disable a block. This one is to go ahead and edit the schedule. If you want the block to follow a schedule, you click here to edit the schedule. Okay, now by default, the blocks are continuous, which means that it will run all the time until you disable the block using this toggle. And this one is for breaks. You can go ahead and configure breaks by clicking on this. Okay, and you can go ahead and see right here when it's locked or unlocked. Right now it is unlocked. Now, I'll show you some extra details as well right here. So this one is basically to edit the affected users. You can go ahead and rename the block using this. This is to duplicate the block, to delete the block, and here you can export or import blocks, okay? And if you want to block a specific website, what you do is you tap here on add a new block, okay? Go to blocks, go to distractions, click here on add a new block, and then all you need to do is just add the URL right here, the website, tap on add, and then just save it, okay? And whenever you want, you can remove and close as well. So just save it, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.